In analyzing the areas of overlap and uniqueness across all these different theories, we arrived at an initial model of 45 different scales. 45 scales and over 700 items. Over years of data collection, pilot testing, and validation work, we pared this assessment down from 45 to 28 scales, and from 700 to 167 items. Ultimately, this bottom-up development process was not force-fitted into an artificial model. That is, we did not try to develop a few number of overarching scales and then break subscales into those factors. Rather, we focused first and foremost on building highly reliable and valid subscales, which we call drivers. Once we had these subscales or drivers developed, we then aggregated them into the overarching factors which you see on the screen. In fact, this development process yielded subscales with reliabilities ranging from 0.67 to 0.79, with a median reliability of 0.72. This is exceptional for subscales. Once you get to the 6-factor level, it gets even better, with factors ranging in reliability from 0.74 to 0.87, and a median reliability of 0.82. This development process, where we focus on the underlying drivers, not the overarching factors, is really important for a few reasons. One, it means that this is not a copycat assessment. While it is clearly grounded in theory and relates to existing assessments, you will not see any other models like the DRiV out there. Two, because we started from the point of how do we predict leadership behaviors, we created scales that are extremely relatable. We aren't using clinical or overly psychological terms like adjustment or sensing or conceptual fluency. We use terms that are neutral to positive and all with clear business implications. 3, because the driver subscales are reliable and well validated, you can look at them in isolation or as part of a larger group and derive reliable, valid, meaningful insights. This means you get a really comprehensive and nuanced picture of the person's motives, values, and drivers all in one place.